Hello everyone, welcome to Cookroid and my name is Saurabh Kukreja. Today in day 13 challenge we are going to learn about abstract classes, what they are and how to use them. So the basic concept of abstract class is that abstract class acts as a blueprint of your child classes, meaning uh, abstract class will just define what all methods and variables the parent class has, and their implementation would depend on the child class. Example, we can have an abstract class named shape which can have a method called display, and the implementation of this display method would depend on every class that will inherit shape, meaning square will have its own implementation of display method. Circle will have its can have its own implementation of display method. So that's the basic concept. Now to just go over the problem statement over here, what is given is we are given a book class which is an abstract class and solution which contains main method, and then we have another class. Like this is what we have to do, we have to write our own my book class which should inherit from book and takes these three different parameters and display them basically. So let's look at the code over here. We have given a book class which takes title and author. uh, it has a constructor which is initializing the title and author, and this is the abstract method. This is what we have to work on. We also have a solution class which contains main method, and if you see they have they're passing three different parameters: title, author and price to a my book class. So what we have to do is we have to make a class named my book which should inherit from book, and they're mentioning that do not use public, so we'll not use public over here. We'll just say class my book extends book. We'll have one parameter, declare only the price instance. This we covered already in our day 12 challenge, you can take a look from there. So what we'll do is we'll just say price. We need not have all the title and author also declared over here. Now we need to define a constructor so that we can initialize the value of a price. So to do that, I'll say public my book. Constructor will take three parameters: string title, string author and integer price. Now as I'm not taking title and author in my child class, I will refer to my parent class. Now to refer to parent class, I use super. I will pass in title and author to my parent class, and I will initialize the price in my base class, right, like this. Now what I have to do is I have to write the implementation of this abstract method. So for that I'll say public, the name should be same, public void display, and over here I simply have to type in sysout title. So you will say that, oh, we don't have title variable in this. Where is it coming from? So it's coming from the book class. So I'll just copy this, right? I'll say author and price, author and price. So same way, author is also coming from the book class because it's a parent class, and then price is from the child class. That's it. Let's just try to run and see if this works fine or there are any. Yeah, I think it should be fine. Let's try. Nice. Yeah, that's it for day 13 challenge. What we learned today is uh, basically abstract classes, and how child class can have their own implementation of an abstract class, and how uh, abstract class acts as a blueprint for their child classes. Okay, thank you so much guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for another challenges.